In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Venmo money into a bank account. If you're looking for an inside app tutorial, that's not the video for you. I apologize. So, first, of course, for you, you'll need to go and download the app if you don't have it downloaded, or log in into your account if you have an account, or just go and create an account if it's your first time using Venmo. And then, how to get your Venmo money into your bank account. The first thing that you'll need to do is simply connect it to a bank account or connect it to a debit card. So as you can see how to transfer money to a bank account. Money you receive from other people or merchants on Venmo will remain on your Venmo account until you transfer or spend it. You can transfer that money from your Venmo account to a connected bank with just some few steps. Read on the details like in here as example. So which first of all, you'll need to meet the basic requirements for a bank transfer. Of course, before you transfer the money, you'll need to add your bank account to a Venmo, as we said, and this strongly recommend you to verify your bank account before initializing any transfer so you don't get your account freezed or something like that. And of course, they will help ensure that your transfers are or are sent on the right place. Venmo is not responsible for lost transfers to a bank resulting from incorrectly entered bank credentials. So keep that in mind. So make sure to confirm that your bank informations are correctly entered. Initiating a bank transfer. If you already added your bank account, you can just go to Me tab, add or click on add or transfer button under your wallet. Some users may see manage instead, and you can enter or edit the amount that you want to transfer to your bank account. You will see two options. You will find instant option or 1 to 3 business days. You can choose one of them. So if you want your money to be sent instantly, they will get, I guess, 1% fee. But if you send like too much money, they will not get more than $10. And of course, it's going to be totally free if you want to wait from 1 to 3 business days. Confirm the transfer details by tapping on agree or the green transfer button, and you should be good to go. And of course, you can transfer money to your bank account if you're using a computer as well. You can go here as an example, sign into your account, or go here as an example, which will take you, if you're already logged in, this will basically tell you or take you to the transfer page right away. And of course, from there, you can do the same steps. Enter the amount, choose instant or 1 to 3 business days, click on confirm, and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.